Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the ear clips and your source device. Make sure the clips have at least 50% charge and the companion app is installed. Once done, clean and dry the clip contacts and your ear area so connection isn't impeded. Pairing mode is usually a long press. Press until the LED flashes. Connect from your phone's Bluetooth list, then allow any app permissions. This step prevents false disconnects and sets a stable baseline for audio and noise suppression performance. You should now position each clip so it grips cartilage, not only the soft lobe. A secure mechanical contact improves signal and blocks ambient leakage. After pairing, open the app to choose a noise profile, select adaptive or manual ANC depending on environment, and set mic gain or balance. Once configured, play a familiar test track and listen for hiss, latency, or imbalance. If you hear artifacts, lower gain or switch profiles. These steps tune both comfort and noise isolation for reliable use. Finish by wearing the clips for 5 to 10 minutes while speaking and moving to confirm stability. This also reveals pressure points, so you can reseat them for comfort. Make sure firmware stays current and store clips in a dry case after use to preserve contacts. If you encounter drops, reset the ear clips and repair, then move away from crowded Wi-Fi or microwave interference and test again. This reset and isolate troubleshooting resolves most connection and noise issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.